Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can reset your internet network on your Samsung Smart TV. Okay, first of all we go back to the home page. All you need to do is just press the setting on your remote control. The setting button is available here, and then you go to general, press the right button, select network, and you can see here is the word reset network. So don't get confused with this reset button. This reset is reset everything, so you need to go to the network first and then just select to reset network, and now confirm to reset, and your TV is now resetting the network. And now we go back to the network setting, and then we can select to another network and refresh to get another Wi-Fi network. So we can select to another network that we want to select. And that's all for today video of how you can reset the network on your Samsung Smart TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.